Eidoo Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Eidoo Wallet App promises to simplify your crypto life by combining a wallet, an exchange, and even a DeFi gateway in one sleek interface. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dive into the pros and cons of Eidoo. Starting with the pros, one of Eidoo's biggest strengths is its all-in-one design. You can store, send and receive hundreds of cryptocurrencies, swap tokens instantly, and even access decentralized finance tools all from a single app. That means fewer logins, fewer apps, and more convenience. Eidoo is also non-custodial, which means you control your private keys. The app doesn't hold your funds, so your crypto remains truly yours. Security-conscious users will love that. Another impressive feature is its built-in DeFi support. You can connect to liquidity pools, manage DeFi tokens, or access decentralized exchanges directly within the app. Eidoo also offers a Visa crypto card, allowing you to spend your crypto assets like regular money, a big plus for everyday users. But now, let's talk about the cons. While Eidoo is feature-rich, that can also make it a bit overwhelming for beginners. The interface, while clean, includes advanced tools that new users might not fully understand. Another issue is limited token coverage outside the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain ecosystems. If you hold coins from niche blockchains, Eidoo might not support them yet. Finally, while Eidoo's security model is solid, being non-custodial means you're responsible for your own backup. If you lose your recovery phrase, your funds are gone forever. No password resets or customer support can save them. In conclusion, the Eidoo Wallet app is an excellent choice for intermediate to advanced crypto users who want a multifunctional wallet that bridges DeFi, trading and payments. It's powerful, secure, and convenient, but like any non-custodial wallet, it demands responsibility. If you're ready to take full control of your crypto life, Eidoo might just be the perfect fit.